I just finished orgo lecture. We lost Erica.
Yeah, Erica's...
We don't know where she went.
I saw her. I tried to wave to her.
Oh, well, now Ishi hasn't eaten breakfast yet, so I'm gonna walk with her.
I ate a pear and banana.
That doesn't really count. We'll walk to Marciano's and I'll get some work done. Yes. Here for a sociology lecture.
All these different scientific disciplines, theory, we'll talk about that in a second.
Ishi and I again. We're walking to Fenway for
It's
more
so cold.
It is cold.
See, the mask helps.
Yeah, that's why I put it on.
Are
Anyways,
we going on the staircase there?
No, other way.
There?
Yeah. And anyways, I like forgot to vlog the second half of the day, so I will catch up with you guys when I get back to my apartment after dinner. But yeah, updates, just not right now. You ever look at someone and wonder what's going on in their mind?
It's somewhere here.
Okay, it's many days now, but I just realized through cleaning my camera roll that I had started vlogging and never finished to explain like what was happening. So basically I woke up in the morning and I went to an orgo lecture, and then I went to another orgo lecture later on in the day, and that was because my orgo professor is really bad, and so I'm going to a different person's orgo lecture in the morning from 8 to 9:15, and I'm going to his to like absorb information, and then I still have to go to my lecture because usually we have podia questions, which is like attendance, audience response questions, how they track your attendance. So I still have to go to my orgo lecture also. And then after orgo lecture I saw Ishi, and Ishi wanted to eat breakfast even though I had already eaten breakfast, so I went to breakfast number 2 with her, and then I went to my sociology lecture, I had circuits, I had my English class, and then I went to my orgo lecture, and then I convinced Ishi to come with me to Fenway to eat that night. So I ended up eating with Ishi at Fenway, and then at night I just kind of sorted out some like first day of school stuff, like getting the right books and like materials, and kind of just setting up my Google folders and stuff. So it was very interesting, but that was what I did on the first day of school. So that'll be the end of my vlog, and then I will make some new vlogs during the semester as I start to like hash out my schedule. I'm not allowed to use my phone in English class, so it'll be probably like if I vlog Tuesday, Thursdays, there'll be like a chunk missing. But yeah, it's a Sunday right now, which is why I'm home. I'm gonna edit this vlog, I'll upload it, and then I'll finally have my first day of spring semester, my sophomore year, up. And it'll only be like 2 weeks late at this point because it's almost February. But hope you guys enjoyed my chaotic clips. See you soon.